By planning so much of this week's farewell himself, Senator John McCain both compelled and inspired a coming together without partisan boundary.
He did understand that some principles transcend politics, that some values transcend party.
For McCain, it was also about relationships.
We often argued, sometimes passionately, but we believed in each other's patriotism.
That belief could ignite his trademark temper.
We've been spinning our wheels on too many important issues because we keep trying to find a way to win without help from across the aisle.
Over 3 decades in Washington, he sought out unlikely partners on campaign finance, veterans care, and immigration reform.
I'm very pleased to see that we have a number of the more conservative Republicans engaged in this effort, as well as people on the other side of the aisle.
Fellow Republicans with whom he sometimes disagreed were his target too.
He was honest, no matter whom it offended. Presidents were not spared.
And had a vision, though unfulfilled, of combining his own candidacy with an independent Democrat.
That's the point, Joe, he said with a certain impatience.
Today, former Democratic Senator Joe Lieberman recounted how McCain tried to recruit him as running mate.
You're a Democrat, I'm a Republican. We could give our country the bipartisan leadership it needs for a change.
Inside the cathedral, McCain's brand of bipartisanship felt tangible, offered as an example that others could take up. And if so, that would be a legacy for John McCain larger than himself.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.